Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the heading widget in Elementor. This is one of the most essential tools for structuring your web pages and making sure your content has clear, visually appealing titles that guide your visitors through your site. First, you'll want to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to build and customize your pages. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your WordPress site. Next, navigate to Pages in the left sidebar. From there, select Add Page to create a new page from scratch. After that, click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor Editor, which is a powerful visual page builder that lets you design your pages without touching any code. It's incredibly user-friendly and gives you real-time control over how everything looks. Once you're inside the Elementor Editor, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Widget panel. This panel contains all the building blocks you can use to design your page. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type in heading. The heading widget will appear in the results. You can either click on it to add it to your page or drag it directly to your preferred destination on the canvas. This flexibility makes it easy to place elements exactly where you want them. Now click on the heading you just added to select it. When you do this, the left panel will switch to show you all the customization options available for this widget. Under the Content tab, you'll see a field labeled Title. This is where you type in your desired text, whether it's a page title, a section heading, or any other text you want to emphasize. Make sure your heading is clear and concise so it communicates the purpose of that section effectively. After entering your text, head over to the Style tab. Here you can set the alignment of your heading. Click on Alignment and choose Center or any other option depending on what fits your design best. Alignment plays a huge role in how professional and polished your page looks, so take a moment to consider what works for your layout. Next, find the Typography section and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the font that matches your brand or website style. You can also adjust the size of the font to make it larger or smaller depending on its importance and how much you want it to stand out. Typography is key to setting the tone and readability of your content. You can also adjust the text color to match your site's color scheme. Simply click on the color picker and choose the shade that best complements your design. Consistent color choices help create a cohesive look across your entire website. Don't forget to save your work. Just click the button beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page to save your draft. This ensures that all your changes are stored and you can come back to edit or publish later without losing any progress. And there you have it. You've successfully used the heading widget in Elementor to create a clear, styled heading for your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.